I'm gonna put these press-on tips on these giant hands, and you're gonna see the range of our Young Nails press-on tips. You gotta check this out. It's kind of insane. First thing I'm gonna do is I wanna show you how smart our packaging is. When I take the tips out, I remove the top layer. I'm gonna put these aside. I love this little holographic card, but this little tray is so perfect because I take the tips out because I need to size them on my hands. And we have 32 tips, 32, which is, to my knowledge, the largest variety of sizes available. Now, that's gonna cover my hands, which I have big, thick fingers and I have wide nail beds, all the way down to petite. It doesn't matter what size your hands are, these are going to fit. So here you can see that the thumb fits perfectly. I can size it, the sidewalls are nice and clean, and I have a giant thumb. I'm gonna set this on the outside now. Next, I'm gonna look for my forefinger, and I think this one, that's a little too big, maybe my middle finger. That, I think, is gonna fit my middle finger. So that looks pretty good. I'm gonna set that right here. Now let's check my forefinger, this one here. That, I think, is gonna fit my forefinger, and also probably my ring finger, which I think is about the same size. Yep, look at that. Again, these are the larger tips. I'm gonna put that right there. And then now, finally, for my pinky, I'm gonna check this one. That looks, I think that is going to fit my pinky. So I'm gonna set that right there. Now, again, there is a variety of sizes, 32. So there's all of these inside the tray and these in the top part that come with the tips. I found my tips. Now the next decision is, am I gonna go glue or tabs? That is the beauty of ours. We have both. I'm gonna go tabs because I like to change my size every other day. I'm gonna switch my nails every other day. I don't want anything permanent. If you want permanent, a week or two, you can go with the glue. I'm gonna go with the tabs. So I've got my tips. I'm gonna pull this out. I got my tabs. I'm gonna grab my little file and I'm gonna grab my alcohol swab. Again, I've got everything I need now. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna gently remove. I'm gonna go super light, just kind of give the nail a little bit of a rough surface so that the tabs have something to bond to. I'm not getting crazy. Again, I just want to give some surface for these to attach to. Our tabs are insanely sticky. So you can probably get 48 hours. I know that Tracy has worn the nails with the tabs for like up to 3 days. She said she's gone in her jacuzzi, had a couple drinks, and worn the tabs with no problem. I would say 24 to 48 hours to be safe. You can wear the tabs. And the cool thing is when you're done with the tabs, you can remove them, store them back into place, and reuse them later. I'm gonna show you that in a bit. Okay, so I went ahead and just removed shine slightly. Take my alcohol. I'm just gonna go ahead and cleanse the nail, just like that. And now my nails feel perfect and ready for tab application. Now, I'm gonna open the tabs, and there is a kind of a cover that I wanna take off first. So let me pull the cover off. It's a little cover, it's very satisfying, I have to say. Pull that off, pull the second cover off, and you have quite a few sizes to work with, and it's doubled up. So if I want to, I can just save this side for later and use this side. Now, obviously the thumb is gonna be the biggest. There's a little bit of an opening layer. You just simply pull it off. It's so easy. I'm gonna lay this, I like to do it on my thumb. There's another method where you can put it in the tip and then lay it in there. Depends on what your preference is. I just like to do this. It's kind of easy for me. And then you just peel, look at that. You just peel that top layer off, it's done. And do the next one. I'm gonna go through and do all of these. I'm gonna find the right sizing and make sure that they fit on my nail so I get the right sizing. So simple. Okay, last one. Go here. I just want to show you one hand. And on my hands, because my hands are large, not attractive, but these press-ons really work. Let me pull this last one off right here. I'm just gonna grab that. So easy. Like, I love our tabs too because they remove extremely easy. A lot of times tabs are super sticky and they're hard to, like, you're having to get tweezers and let me find the edge to pull. I have giant hands, giant fingers, right? I'm still able to get it off. No issues at all. Super, super simple and easy. Okay, then I'm gonna grab my thumb first. And so check this out. I'm gonna lay it at the base and then fold it forward. Make sure it is straight, press that on. And I want you to notice something. This is what I love about our press-ons. Look at the cuticle area. Look how clean it is. Now, my thumb is not attractive. Look how clean that is. That is, in the manufacturing of our product, we did more of a square edge, rounded at the corners, not a rounded edge. That way it fits cuticles cleanly and it looks like real nails. Like, I really love this about our press-ons. So let's get the next finger on. Again, start at the cuticle area. I'm gonna nudge it up and then lay it down nice and flat. And again, very clean around the cuticle area, very flush. Look at the sidewalls as well, the way it comes off. And I mean, it's just, they look like enhancements. The next one, let me do the middle. Again, at the cuticle, I'm gonna lay it down. So easy. And these things are on firm. I'm gonna show you in a second once I put all the nails on. Start at the cuticle again, lay it down, press it on. Again, imagine these are fitting my nails, my size. 100% they're gonna fit yours with the 32 pieces in there. It's such a variety of sizes that no matter what size you are, you can be very confident that it's gonna fit. So I've got all of them on. I'm looking at them to make sure they're all straight. Cuticles are flush. Now I wanna show you like how secure these are with the tabs. They literally feel like they're part of my nails. Like, I am tapping hard, and then here's the thing. If I wanna change the shape, so I can, like, look, I'm filing the tip of the nail and it is staying on nice and solid. Nice and solid. If I wanna just make sure to get the tip nice and even, nice and sharp, boom, God, these look so good. Again, they are on nice and firm, and I'm just finalizing a little, can you see it moving like that? Look at that. But it's still nice and clean. And then finally the thumb. Again, these things are on, and that is with the tabs. Giant hands, small hands, the tips are gonna fit. 32 sizes. It comes with glue, it comes with tabs, it's got the perfect little organizing tray. It has the perfect cuticle areas that are straight and just rounded at the corners so that it's gonna fit almost every nail bed perfectly so that it looks flush to the natural nail. These are gonna look natural, they're gonna stay on, and they give you the option of long-term wear or short-term wear. I absolutely love our tips. Okay, this is one of my favorite parts. I go out and out of the town, I come home, I'm done. I can remove the press-ons. I'm gonna show you, just like that. They're gonna pop off nice and clean. They still look good. They still look fresh. And I have the tabs on my nails. I can clean that off later. I grab my tray. I put them back in the tray. Got my little baggie. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the nails in the little Ziploc like that. Check this out. I close it up. Boom. You'll have to get a new alcohol wipe, but you can find these on Amazon for very, very cheap. I still have my tabs. I'm gonna put those underneath. They're my baggie, I put the tips, I put the tabs inside, I get my card face down, then I get this on top, throw my cover on top, put it back into its packaging for perfect storage so that I can reuse these again at a later time. I'll put these away and I'll have all my sets of Young Nails press-ons, and when I'm ready, I go out, I pick the ones I want, I do the same thing, and when I'm done, I put them away, nice, organized, and ready to go for another use. To check out all the varieties, shapes, sizes, and colors, head to youngnails.com.